Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off guided access on iPhone. So if you already set up guided access on your iPhone, so as to control how people use your iPhone and now you want to turn it off, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So let's say you just turn on guided access on a device where you see guided access is started, no one will be able to exit the application you start. So it's going to make sure this app is fixed on the screen. So whether it's photo or whatever it is, they will not be able to exit the application itself. You see that? Now, first, before you can permanently turn off your guided access, go ahead and press the start button twice. Then you should see guided access ended. Then you can exit this page now. Now, for you now to turn off guided access, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility page until you get to guided access and then click on it. Now, to turn off guided access, all you need to do is toggle this off and then you are good. So when next you press the start button 3 consecutive times, guided access is not going to be enabled, and if you press it more, you see it's going to enter another thing and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off guided access on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.